This video is going to be a little different than the previous usual training video. So we started a website as the Teckiy.com, as you see here. The objective of this website, initially we thought to provide the blogs and project videos and real-time project for our uh, developer community. That is the initial thought. And later we realized there is a lot of beginners and even sometimes experts also need some kind of help whenever they need get stuck on some issues on their individual projects. So we thought to come up with a kind of Stack Overflow kind of concept, but it is not actual Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow, it is a um, according to me, it is little quite complex or quite not easy at the first time when you as a beginner to watch the Stack Overflow uh, uh, writing the question or get the answers. Little bit tricky initially, but once you get to understand the part, then Stack Overflow is a very good platform to uh, get the answer from the various experts in various fields, right? So there is pretty much the same concept, but just come up with an called a ticketing system for developer community. So it is not another community portal. It is not necessary uh, to provide a solution to any developer, right? So if you submit a question, they can answer or they cannot, right? It is not mandatory they have to provide. But here we come up with a ticketing system for all individual question it's raised by the developers. So we have a group of team from various part of the world and all our contributors, and we were come up with an idea, say supporting our developer community whenever they get stuck on any issues. So so this is the portal. So whenever you guys have any doubt or any issues when you get stuck on any areas, um, you can absolutely come here, teckiy.com/shop support, and then you can click a submit your question, the title, and you can choose the code based on the language, based on the framework you're using, Python or whatever it is, and category. As of now, you're supporting only Python, Django, SQL, Oracle, JavaScript, um, and then you can submit the question. And also you have an option to view the other submitted question. So like just like Stack Overflow, right? So if you see here, there's a one ticket here. How we can basically this guy is trying to use the like view like button in his Django template, but somehow it's not working. So when you raise the ticket with us, so it's basically at the first time the status will be in open, and the ticket will be assigned to one of our techie developer, and they can start accessing your code, and whenever it's required they can also send you the WebEx link or Zoom invite link if required. So basically sometimes chatting it may not help 100%, right? So let's say if you see, right, I we submitted some answer, but sometimes the users or developer may not get the idea what he has or she has to do. So in order to handle that, if the based on the priority, based on the urgency, we can jump into the Zoom meeting or 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 WebEx meeting. and then we can absolutely providing the free support whenever have an issues on any area. So that is the idea behind of this Teckiy developer support community portal. So I hope this you guys will um, get utilize this whenever you have an issues or whenever you have a problem with that. So um, so please feel free to use this portal, and in case if you have any suggestion to improve. And one more thing I want to mention here, this is we just focusing on functionality rather than design so far. So you may not have a proper design in the website, but we worked back end on the functionality level, but we're still evaluating our development and all the stuff, and we are still improving ourselves to come up with the best design here as well as the functionality. Instead of concentrating the design, we just thought to okay land first and then focusing on design later, so that we can help our community with a short time as it is, right? So that is the objective, guys. So try this, and of course we do have many developers, right? So it is sometimes it may hard to get an answer, but definitely we'll try to uh, uh, work as a like a ticketing platform as you when you have an issue in your systems or in your code, right? So you may using Jira, right? Jira is a kind of internal project related tracking system. So likewise, we created the open Jira for a developer community, and whenever they got stuck, and we'll open the ticket and we'll try to resolve until you guys close the ticket. So that is the objective. So if you guys really think this will gonna help all our developers support community portal um, developers, then you can also support here using the donate link, and you can also get a coffee from us. Cool. Please provide your feedback, guys. Thank you.